Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix profile desktop error in Windows 7, 8, and Windows 10. Press Ctrl, Alt, Delete keys. Click Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer. Right-click, Windows Explorer. Click End Task. Click File, Run New Task. Type explorer.exe in search bar. Click OK to continue. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.